Hi guys, my name is Marissa. If you're new to my channel, I am also known as Homemaking with Marissa on YouTube as well as on Instagram. Today's video is going to be a vlog style what my family eats in a day. I'm going to be sharing snack ideas as well as different breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. This is a pretty standard weekday for my family and what myself and my husband and 3 kids would be eating. For those of you that are new, I have 3 sons ranging in age from 15 down to 3 years old. One of my children doesn't eat dairy, so any of the meals that I'm preparing that have dairy in them, just know that I did either serve his prior to putting dairy on the meal, or I made his without dairy. So I'm going to be making a homemade flatbread that I'm going to turn into a pizza. His just won't have the cheese on it, but the rest of the family will be eating it with cheese. If this is the type of video that you're interested in, please go ahead and hit the red subscribe button, as well as giving this video a thumbs up so that I know it's content you're interested in.
It's one of these applesauce pouches. These come from Costco, and I like them because they say that they have vegetables in them, though the vegetables carrots. So he likes them though. They're organic and they come, I think, in a pack of 16. They're pretty affordable. So I've mentioned before, but my children wake up hungry every single morning and immediately want to eat. So I always have this ready for them. I always have an applesauce pouch and some sort of granola bar. Today we're doing the chocolate chip Larabar Kids. I like these kids Larabars because they're a smaller portion than the regular Larabars. You can get these at Target, Kroger, most grocery stores have them now. And my kids like the chocolate brownie best. I think that they have a cinnamon flavor, a chocolate, and then this chocolate chip.
For breakfast, I am doing a half of an avocado, a quarter of a bagel. These just come from Costco. They're the water boiled bagels. 2 eggs with salt, pepper, and cilantro. And then it's topped with a local chimichurri sauce that a restaurant sells near our home. For lunch, I'm going to be making homemade flatbread pizzas. This flatbread recipe is from Jamie Oliver. I'll show you how I make my own flat dough and then assemble the pizzas. These are always a huge hit and extremely easy to put together. I like making my own doughs because then you know what all the ingredients are. You're in control of the quality of the ingredients. So let me show you how I put these together. To make a 2-ingredient flatbread, we're going to combine self-rising flour with plain Greek yogurt. This is the brand of Greek yogurt I like to use. It has pretty minimal ingredients and a low amount of sugar compared to a lot of other plain yogurts. But if you don't have this available at your local supermarket, any plain Greek yogurt will do. We're going to add, like I said, half a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt for each individual size flatbread. Once we've created our dough, we are going to just saute it in a small fry pan. I cook this for about 4 minutes on each side, just until it starts to brown, and you'll see the dough start to puff up a little. The benefit of using the self-rising flour is you don't have to have any sort of yeast, baking soda, baking powder, anything like that. It's all incorporated into your flour and will create a nice fluffy flatbread for you. With our flatbread, I'm just going to mix up this fresh bacon Caesar salad kit. I think that sometimes as parents, we just need to take a little bit of help from the store. If I'm going to put in the effort to make homemade flatbread pizzas for lunch, I am probably going to take a shortcut and do just a bagged salad mix that all I have to do is just dump everything together, mix it, and it's good to go. I find that my family is a little hit and miss on eating salads. I know for a fact my husband and I will like this, but I'm unsure if the kids will eat much of this salad. If they don't, I will just give them some baby carrots or some celery to go with their pizza. You can top this with any of your desired pizza toppings. I'm going to just add a little bit of tomato sauce, some mozzarella cheese, and then some salami. So while it's cooking on the other side, I'm just going to top it with the sauce, the cheese, and the salami so that the cheese has time to melt. I'm gonna put a lid on the top of our fry pan so that our cheese will completely melt. Once it's done melting the cheese, I'm just gonna remove this and slice it into quarters, and this is what the kids will be having for lunch. For dinner, we're having a really simple pasta dish. This takes about 20 minutes to make. It has shallots, mushroom, sausage, penne pasta, some Parmesan cheese, and some lemon. I'll go ahead and show you how I made it. In this pot, I have 1 pound of ground pork that I've seasoned liberally with black pepper. To this, I will be adding 16 ounces of sliced mushrooms, about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, couple of cloves of crushed garlic, some fresh parsley, the juice from a lemon, as well as 1 chopped shallot.
Once we've sauteed the sausage, our mushrooms, and our shallots together, I'm just going to squeeze in the juice of 1 lime, as well as adding our herbs and our cheese to the dish. I'm going to make sure that this is really well incorporated before adding in our pasta. The key, in my opinion, to a good pasta sauce is to make sure that you're not straining the noodles, but to add some of the cooking water to the dish as well. So instead of taking my pasta and putting it into a colander, I'm going to just be spooning it into my sauce.
For dessert, I'm going to be slicing up this orange cranberry quick bread. This is a recipe that comes on the top of the Siggy's vanilla yogurt. It's really easy to make. If you'd like me to film a separate video showing how I make this bread, go ahead and comment down below and I would be happy to film that for you guys. I'm just going to slice this up and serve it for dessert. I want to thank you all for watching today. If you haven't done so already, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face on the right side of your screen. If you'd like to watch an additional video I have filmed, I have a couple for you on the left side of your screen. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy. Bye!